n equal to 0 to infinity x की power n minus 1 into e to the power minus x dx. This is a gamma function. Then the value of gamma 1 is equal to 0 to infinity into x की power 0 dot e की power minus 1 dx, such that integration of minus e minus x की power x 0 to infinity equal to minus e to the power infinity minus of e to the power 0, such that 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Value of gamma 1 is equal to 1. Then value of gamma n plus 1 equal to integration of 0 to infinity into x to the power ये बन जाएगा h to the power n plus 1 minus 1 cancel out into e to the power minus x dx, such that integration of limit 0 to infinity x to the power n into e to the power minus x dx. Then differentiation ये फर्स्ट फलन and सेकेंड फलन. We integrate x to the power n into minus e to the power minus x 0 to infinity minus integration of 0 to infinity into फर्स्ट फलन का डिफरेंशिएशन डी बाई डी एक्स एक्स टू पावर n minus 1 into e to the power minus x minus plus dx. Then this value is 0 plus integration n कॉमन ले लेते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन 0 to infinity x to the power n minus 1 to e to the power minus x dx. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका n एट ये वैल्यू है गेमा ऑफ n की, यानी गेमा ऑफ n प्लस 1 इक्वल टू n गेमा n. गेमा ऑफ n प्लस 1 इक्वल टू n इंटू गेमा n इक्वल टू n माइनस 1 गेमा ऑफ n माइनस 2, या यूँ लिखे n माइनस 2 डॉट 1 इंटू गेमा 1 तो हो जाएगा n माइनस 1 n माइनस 2 डॉट 1 इंटू 1, या इसकी वैल्यू हो गई आपकी फैक्टोरियल n, सच दैट गेमा n प्लस 1 इक्वल टू n gamma n equal to factorial n for positive integer. Gamma 1 by 2 equal to integration of 0 to infinity x to the power n, यानी 1 by 2 minus 1 into e to the power minus x dx, such that gamma of 1 by 2 equal to 0 to infinity x to the power 1 by 2 e to the power minus x dx. We let x equal to u square, then dx equal to 2u du. Put here 0 to infinity, ये हो जाएगा u to the power minus 1 into e to the power minus u square into 2u du, such that 0 to infinity u से u cancel out and e to the power minus u du. This is gamma half. Then by integration change of variable प्रॉपर्टी, ये हो जाएगा आपका एक फंक्शन गेमा हाफ इक्वल टू चेंज ऑफ वेरिएबल्स 2 इंटू 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e to the power minus x square dx and 1 by 2 equal to 2 0 to infinity into e to the power minus y by dy. First second these multiplied gamma half equal to whole square is equal to 4 0 to infinity into e to the power minus x square plus y square dx dy 0 to infinity. Then we change, अब हम इसको पोलर फॉर्म में चेंज करते हैं, यानी फॉर्म सच दैट लेट x इक्वल टू और कॉस थीटा, y इक्वल टू और साइन थीटा, देन एंड dx to dy इक्वल टू जैकोबियन ऑफ एक्स वाई dr into d theta, where Jacobian of xy is equal to xr x theta, yr y theta. Here daily differentiate with respect to r, ये हो जाएगा cos theta, and with respect to partial depreciation of x is theta minus r sin theta, एंड y का पार्शियल डिप्रिसिएशन करेंगे r की y के r के रिस्पेक्ट में, ये हो जाएगा साइन थीटा, और इसका करेंगे हो जाएगा r cos थीटा. दिस इज r स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर, यानी जैकोबियन ऑफ एक्स वाई इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर. इस प्रकार ये रिड्यूस हो जाएगा गेमा हाफ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 0 टू इन्फिनिटी इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e टू द पावर माइनस r स्क्वायर इंटू dx dr जैकोबियन की, यानी r डॉट dr डी थीटा. such that gamma half square equal to integration of minus 2 into 0 to infinity 1 dot d theta into 0 to infinity e to the power minus r square into r minus 2r dr. हेयर थीटा के रिस्पेक्ट में लिमिट चेंज होगी, ये हो जाएगी आपका इफ x इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी देन दिस लिमिट चेंज इनटू पाई बाई 2 सच दैट माइनस 2 इंटू this is pi by 2 into 0 to infinity into e to the power minus r square dr. Here e to the power fx into f dash x equal to e to the power fx, such that here this is f dash x and this is fx, such that this integration reduced in term, then ये हो जाएगा आपका into minus 2r, such that this is reduced f dash x equal to e to the power fx, such that 0 to infinity, hence minus pi into e to the power minus infinity into e to the power 0, such that minus pi into minus 1 is equal to pi, hence gamma of r square is equal to pi, such that gamma half is equal to under root pi. gamma into 1 minus n, gamma equal to pi divided by sine of n pi. If we put n equal to half, then gamma half into 1 minus half equal to pi divided by sine pi by 2, such that gamma half का whole square equal to pi and gamma half equal to under root pi. Gamma function in trigonometric form such that if 0 to pi by 2 equal to sine to the power m theta into cos to the power n theta, then gamma function is defined as gamma of m plus 1 divided by 2 into gamma of n plus 1 divided by 2 m plus n plus 2 divided by 2. This is gamma function in terms of trigonometric form for integration. If 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 5 theta into cos to the power 4 theta d theta, then find integration of value. Here m equal to 5, n equal to 4, then by gamma function of integration 5 plus 1 divided by 2 into gamma of 4 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 into m plus n in 4 plus 2 divided by 2, such that gamma of 3 into gamma of 5 by 2 divided by 2 into 5 4 9 2 11 by 2. Here use property gamma n plus 1 equal to n into gamma n into factorial n, such that factorial 3 equal to 2 plus 1 यानी factorial 2 into gamma of 5 by 2 into 2 11 by 2 हो जाएगा n plus 1 प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से 9 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into gamma 5 by 2 यानी gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n, such that this is quantity cancel out and we have this is also cancel out. Then 8 divided by 9 से 63 5, such that 8 by 5 15 5 31 8 बटे 315 is required value.